How to send large videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Drive application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Files. Open any folder here. Over here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus icon. Then, select Upload File. And then, go to Photos and Videos. Choose any video from here and then tap on Upload. Tap on Upload at the top right corner. You have now successfully uploaded this video to your Drive folder. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Manage Access. Here, tap on Anyone with the link. Tap on Anyone with the link again. After that, tap on the copy icon at the top right corner. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. Open any chat from here. You can now paste the link over here and then tap on the arrow button to send it. Following these steps, you can easily send large videos on iPhone.